Namaskar friends, this time we will calculate a pink colored triangle's area. So let's discuss the problem.
In this question, we are given a right-angled triangle ABC, right angled at B, with AB as 3 units and BC as 4 units. And BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. We have to find the area of triangle EAB, and in this triangle, BD is equal to EA, which is given. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate AC, which is 5. So this total AC length is 5 by Pythagoras theorem. And by angle bisector theorem, since BD bisects angle B, AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DC, but AB upon BC is equal to 3 by 4. We can say that AD is equal to 3K and DC is equal to 4K, where K is any constant, ratio constant. But whole AC is 5 centimeter, and that can be rewritten as AD plus DC. So AC is equal to 3K plus 4K, which is equal to 7K. But this AC is equal to 5, so therefore we can find K, which is equal to 5 by 7. And hence AD, since AD is equal to 3K, so 3 into 5 by 7, which is 15 by 7. Now draw a perpendicular to AC from B. This is also a right angle triangle, and this is the height. This is the height for this triangle and as well as for this triangle. So if we calculate the area of this triangle, we can say that area of this triangle is equal to half into EA into this height, but EA is just equal to BD. So if we calculate BD, so we will get the area of triangle EAB. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to half into product of legs AB into BC, and the same triangle's area can be calculated as half into AC into this height. So half AC into height, half and half will get cut, AB into BC, that is 3 into 4, which is equal to AC is 5. So we found H as 12 by 5, which is 2.4. Height is 2.4. And this is AD, we got 15 by 7. So this AD is 15 by 7, and this is 2.4. This height is 2.4. So we can calculate this part. Let us suppose this is P. So calculate AP. Use Pythagoras theorem once again. So AP square is equal to AB square minus BP square by Pythagoras theorem, which means 9 minus 2.4 square, which is 5.76, and that is 9 minus 5.76 is 3.24. So therefore we got AP as 1.8 unit. After getting this AP, we can say PD. So therefore PD is equal to 15 by 7 minus 1.8, which is 15 minus 12.6 by 7, and that is equal to 15 minus 12.6, so 2.4 by 7. So now BD square, once again using Pythagoras theorem, BD square is equal to 2.4 square minus 2.4 by 7 the whole square, taking 2.4 square common. So we will get 1 minus 1 by 7 square, that is 2.4 square, 49. BD square is equal to this square plus that square, so make it plus. So 1 plus this, so 49 plus 1, 50 by 7 square. So therefore BD is equal to 2.4 into 5 root 2, this is 7 square, by 7. So area triangle BEA is equal to half into EA into 2.4, which means half into BD, that is 2.4 into 5 root 2 by 7 into height is 2.4, and that is half into 1.2 into 2.4 into 5 root 2 by 7. So that is 2.88 into 5 root 2 by 7, which is, after calculation, we will get 2.9088. So approximately we can say 2.91 square units, and that is the answer. Thank you for watching this video.